If you were adding a filter to a visualization in Data Studio, it might be a bit confusing if you go in and say include or exclude. Say include, we'll select a field of campaign, and then you have these different options of equals to, contain starts with, regex max, and regex contains. So the difference here is, and they give you an example here, is regex max is very literal. So you have to say everything that would be included, even stuff that might be dynamic. So then you have to use regex syntax like period and star, versus regex contains is a little more greedy. So you could just have, say, I wanted to just remove anything with data over instinct, the DOI. I could just put that in there for regex contains and it would capture all the different campaign names with that in it, versus the regex match. I would actually just want to do period star and then period star at the beginning and end, so that way it would catch not only DOI but anything before it and after as well. Thank you, and please subscribe to learn more about Google Analytics, Data Studio, and other Google products.